Welcome everyone back to the channel. Today we're in Garland, Texas at the Concept R Performance Shop. Checking out the little car meet they're holding. It's Honda and Acura only, but other cars are welcome. Some nice GS I got right here. Look at this, super sweet. Most likely on airbags. Real nice.
You don't know the owner of that one, do you?
Man, I do not. First time here, I don't know. Yeah, it looks real nice. Looks like he's from out of town. Nice president right here. Something you don't see often. Cool JDM vibe. Real nice. Super cool. Nice EG hatchback, GSR blades, those are always nice. Very nice, love to see these in the wild. You don't normally get to see them. Any chance there's Hondas, I'm always here. Looks like we got some real nice cars over here. Let's go ahead and check them out. CRX here, looks like 88, 89. It's beautiful. Clear corners. Super nice. TE 37s. Willwood brake kit. Super nice. Nice. SI. Real nice. Love the seat. Roll bar. Beautiful car. Like an Integra right here, Type R. Beautiful. Spoon brake kit. Got some weds. Looks like possibly a Mugen wing. Super cool. See what else we got going on over here.
Oh, it's like everywhere.
Like a Prelude. Old school. Integra right here. It's like a 94 to 97. Also on TEs, 5 lug. Super sweet. Love that red.
Yeah.
Wheels. Real nice. Nice new Tundra actually right there.
What's up, bro?
Looks super sweet. See what else we got. Awesome. Nice BMW. Don't know what series that is. Not real familiar with BMW. Here we go. Little EK hatchback, right-hand drive. Looks like maybe Type R clone, maybe real. Super nice 5 lug Type Rs. Most likely with the Type R swap. Real nice. Here's another one. Super sweet engine bay. Looks great. Real nice. Love the interior. Red Recaros, of course. Yeah, real nice turnout here today. Love that right there, my favorite part. Real nice tees, fitment. Another Integra right here. Super nice. A lot of cars out here. Beautiful. Type R canards, side skirts it looks like. GTR. Oh, another EK9. Wow. Look at that. Wow, medium seats. Beautiful. Carbon hood. Yeah, this one's real nice. Love the fitment. Another EK hatch. Real nice. Love the wheel setup. Big old tires in the front. Know what that's about. Nice FRS BRZ it looks like. Check out these other ones. Real nice SG hatch. Beautiful. That's 2000.
Yeah, you don't need a GX. Yeah, that's the same car.
Another view of this EK. Beautiful. That sign, that blue. Real nice. Love the engine bay. Real nice tees, of course. Can't go wrong. Interior looks beautiful.
But I know that's not a view, so the second best thing.
Yellow recalls on these, pretty rare. Looks like a Mugen. Headlights. Another S2000 here. Mugen MF10s. Love that hood. Another blue SI. Spin Sports.
You follow us until we notice here.
Interior. What's going on, man? What's up, bro? What's up? Just vlogging, man. We're just vlogging.
Be hard at work.
SI. Real nice. Yeah, man, a lot of quality out here. Look at that. Super nice. Real nice turnout. Really love the front end. Sick. Interior is custom on this. Real nice touch. Looks great. See what else we got on the other side going on.
5,000. Oh. I know what the is.
So you're just going to Houston for fun or what?
We're going that
Looks like there's some other cars on this side. Let's go ahead and check them out. Real nice day today too. Clear skies, perfect day for a meet. Looks like a ISF. These are always cool to see. Real nice car Lexus ever made. Couple other cars here. Real cool location. It's like a GS 300. It's like our EG 4-door. Wow, real nice RSX. 0506, I believe. Looks like with the Type S front.
We take it back to the nest and everybody can see it.
I believe the gram lights. Spoon calipers. Shout out Spoon. Blue Recaros, nice. A lot of Recaros out here today.
Yeah, really? Finally got it. Right. Should have leaking oil again.
Super nice. Yeah. I will. TLX.
That was the first one that came out. Okay.
Like an Integra. 5 lug TVs. Sweet. Real nice. Project car, race car. Like to see it. Sick. Another Integra here.
Be careful.
5 lug.
These are modified on one day of the week.
Real sweet. K-Series. Sick. Oh, nice. 4-door. K-Series as well. Nice. 5 lug Type R wheels. Sweet. I don't see these often. Especially in a 4-door. EK hatch. Sweet. Fastback. Course TVs. Looks like Kevlar hood there. Another real nice EG. Sweet. A-Series.
Equal length. This is the equal length, man? Yes.
Type R over here. FK8. Sick. Nice B-Series. Real nice. Okay, hatch. Yeah.
Well, I have on mine.
Is that what it's called?
Real nice EK hatch. Really like those wheels. Spoon calipers, of course.
That's how I need to get the Acura.
Interior is real nice. Recaros. I like the steering wheel. Real nice.
That's like the that's the color.
Yeah, so far, very good turnout. Love the quality of the builds here. Hopefully they let us inside over there and I'll get some clips for you guys. But yeah, it's a real nice day. And I'll let you guys know on the next clip if I get in. This 2000 they're working on. Turbo setup. It's a real cool shop. EV they're working on. K-Series Turbo. Super sweet shop they got here. Love the way it looks. They work on a lot of cool Hondas, Lexus, CRX they have right there. It's beautiful. Looks like this K-Series. Getting ready for K-Series. Super sweet. That's 2000. Sweet turbo.
I'm keeping it down.
It had like a 67 GT 500 Mustang.
Super sweet.
That's the second car. I like that. And then Fast and
Show you a little more. That's 2000. Super sweet. Can't get enough of the CRX. Looks like an 88 SI actually. Real nice shop they got. Super nice.
She doesn't even see the suit.
Yeah, but I think they put those in before they
Real nice. Had to come back and check out the CRX. He opened the hood. Wanted to show you guys. Beautiful B-Series swap. Looks just like it needs to fit in there. Fits perfect. Super sweet car. I love this car. One of my favorites right here. Forgot I skipped this little van right here. Shout out to Chris. I believe this is his car or his wife's. I did not see these often whatsoever. We got RG1s, Advans. Super sweet. And I skipped this. I had to come back and see it. This is Chris's car as well. Shout out to you, Chris. Super sweet EF8. Just overall, period correct. Mugen kit. Interior, sweet. Super nice. Super nice. SIR. Sick. Let's see what else they got. We can go in there or not? No? Had to go and show this Type R some love. FK8 YTEs. Probably the last car here today. Looks like the meet's about to end. It's a cool sticker, I like that. Oh, nice. HKS. Exhaust, sweet. Real nice Type R. Shout out Concept R Racing. Concept R Performance. Real cool meet you guys held. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.